Okay, so this is a video demo of the admin dashboard that was built for Smart App. We can access dashboard using a test email, that is testmail@mail.com, and then we can set input the password, which is 123456, and then login. Okay, so this is the layout of the dashboard. It's quite full. We can start out with viewing all stakeholders. Currently it's just one, and we can access its um, level of access and then edit it right here. We can also view all the subscribers registered under the particular stakeholder. We can then view the meter location. This is a dummy map for now, so when the meters are ready, we're going to see live locations here. The second item is where we can add the stakeholder, where we just get the details of the stakeholder and then select the access level for the stakeholder. Then we can add subscriber account here. We get the details, particularly the email and then the password that will be used by the user in the user app or the web version of the app. Then we can move to management account, where we can manage the registered users. Currently there are just two. We can see their ID, the subscriber's name, and then their phone number. We can manage each user, see their details right here, and then we can view locations of all the meters. Still a dummy map for now. And then we can set billing rate. Currently it's 400. We can, for example, set it to 350 and see what happens. If we reload now, we are going to see that the rate has changed. Yeah, so we can move on to viewing the power consumed. We can see the power consumed per distributor, per area, and then per period. All these are still dummy graphs for now, per area, and then for a given period of time. We can move on to the point where we see the amount of meters that have been installed. Still a dummy graph that shows the number of meters installed per month. You can see the payments that have been made right here, the ID of the user, and then the method that was used, which could also be cryptocurrency. We can see the status um, of the meters by ID, and then we can switch on and off a particular meter right from the dashboard. You can see that it has changed to off. So we can also see a list of defective meters, which is almost the same thing as the previous one, and then we can resolve right from the dashboard. Then for the meters that cannot self-report, the users can also lodge their complaints right here, and then they will be attended to. The admin can change password, and then you can see logs of the logins to the account, and then admin, a particular stakeholder can be removed whenever he's no longer part of the business. Those are the features that are available the for the admin. So we're going to go to um, the user part right now. This is what the user would see. Now there's a test mail for the user too, which is testmail@mail.com. Password is 123456, and then we can then log in and then see some details on the dashboard, that the current meter balance both in units and naira, then the rate, and then the amount that has been spent so far in a given month. So we can check out the profile of the user, where it can also set the password. We can go to payment history, then we can set limits when the value here is exceeded, the user is notified, and then we can see the uptime for a given meter, and then the monthly usage and the cost implication of that. We can, after we are done examining our account, we can log out, and then let's move on to the point where we examine the features on the app, which is mostly similar to that of the user. Okay, so this is the app. We can also log in, which is the user mail, and then the password is 123456, just like before, and then we can log in to our account. Okay, I think network is affecting this. I think I missed the mail there. Now we have access to the same thing on the dashboard, the web version. Now we can see the same features there. We can buy electricity using fiat or crypto right here, and then we can move on to check out our profile, where we can easily change our password right here. Then you can check out our payment history. You can set limit as it was shown there on the web version. The limit, when it is exceeded, the user is notified. Then we can check the period through which the meter was on, and then um, this period over here, and then we can move on to total duration in which the meter was on for a given month, and then the cost implication of that. And after examining the whole account, the user can log out. This is the end of the demo video.